Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at Bitcoin or BTC. Bitcoin is currently ranked at the $41,000 level, still at number one. We are currently having a market cap of about $816 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $10.48 billion, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for Bitcoin. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So in the last 1 week, Bitcoin is down 2.8%, and in the last 24 hours, we are down 0.1%, right? And without further ado, let us push to the chart. And so we are seeing some massive signals showing right here on the chart. Remember, we usually see prices always move from level to level, level to level, level to level. And one of those huge signals we are seeing is a golden, right, or the cross, right? Our EMA cross is happening. The major EMA cross is happening. And we said every time this has happened, this has confirmed the bearish signals. We had been bearish right here. If you notice on the channel, we're saying this was forming, we're forming price structure or price action below the bull market EMA, and we were expecting a push into this $37,600 level. You would remember when we saw the cross right here on the EMAs. This was last year. The moment we saw the cross, we knew Bitcoin was massively bullish, especially on the 4 hourly time frame, which was right there at the $26,000 level. And we saw this massive push even to the $48,000 level. Currently, we are seeing the cross right here happening, which means we could see some massive rejection right down towards this $37,000 area. All right, another signals we are seeing right here on the chart is basically right, the EMA cross, right, or the MACD cross. Now this is Bitcoin versus the USD dollars on the 3 days time frame. Now if you notice, every time we have seen the MACD cross, I have put these yellow lines for you. Every single time we have seen a MACD cross, we touch the base of the Bollinger Bands, right? And currently, as you can see, the base of the Bollinger Bands is at the $38,000 level, right? So we have just seen that cross on the 200, on the MACD on the 3 days time frame. So with a very likelihood minimum we are about to see is that $37,000 level, which we were speaking of right here, right? So here, right here, $37,000 level right here, the base of the Bollinger Bands is around that $37,600 level. Also, as you can see in the past, we saw this cross right here for on the MACD, we touched the base of the Bollinger Band. Same thing right here. We saw the cross, we touched the base of the Bollinger Band. Same thing right here. Even this was a little cross. We saw this little cross, we touched the base of the Bollinger Band. If you go down every single time we saw that in the history right here for Bitcoin, we saw that cross every single time we saw that cross on the 3 days time frame MACD. We usually touch the base of the Bollinger Bands, right? So we are expecting Bitcoin to touch the base of the Bollinger Bands right there at the $37,000 level. The shooting star candlestick pattern, which is forming right here for Bitcoin on the weekly, right? We said usually starts by an uptrend. The moment we see an uptrend and we see this sort of candlestick where we see the upper shadow at least as twice as the real body, small real body, and then we see this huge wick and then a push to the downside. We are seeing that forming on the weekly right here for Bitcoin, right? And when we see such things happen on the weekly, that usually is a very massive confirmation. As you can see, huge uptrend, right? We are forming that candlestick, as you can see right here, shooting star candlestick, shooting star candlestick. We probably with a high likelihood would see a downtrend right here even to that $37,000 level, right? So you can see that a lot of confirmation showing us that we should be expecting this $37 area right here for Bitcoin going forward. And so that's the update right here on Bitcoin, right? If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button,